Hey everyone! Today, we're making the ultimate comfort food, Texas toast. It's thick, buttery, and perfectly golden, making it an amazing side for any meal or a fantastic base for sandwiches. Get ready for some serious flavor. You'll need just a few things: thick cut bread, unsalted butter, fresh garlic, and a sprinkle of dried parsley. That's it. The key is using good quality thick bread. It really makes all the difference. First, let's soften our butter. To that, we'll add finely minced garlic. Don't be shy with the garlic, it's what gives Texas toast its signature kick. Stir in the dried parsley for a pop of color and herbaceous flavor. Mix everything until it's well combined and creamy. This aromatic spread is the heart of our Texas toast. Now generously spread your garlic butter mixture on one side of each slice of bread. You want a good thick layer. Place the buttered side down on a hot skillet or griddle over medium heat. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's beautifully golden brown and crispy. Then, butter the other side of the bread and flip it. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until that side is also golden and irresistible. And there you have it, perfect homemade Texas toast. Serve it warm alongside your favorite pasta, soup or chili. It's also incredible as a base for open-faced sandwiches. This simple recipe elevates any meal. Enjoy every buttery garlicky bite.